The leader of Georgia's third largest school district is now the subject of a massive federal indictment. I'm Blair Miller.
And I'm Tracy Hutchins. DeKalb County Superintendent Dr. Devon Horton faces more than a dozen charges, all of them connected to what investigators say happened before he came to Metro Atlanta. Tonight, Horton is on paid leave. The school board announced the change today in an emergency meeting. Now, there is a lot to unpack with this story.
Our Niamani Watson begins our team coverage tonight. Niamani, you combed through this indictment, then spoke with a lawyer about Horton's legal fight ahead.
I did, and this indictment accuses Horton of some very serious financial charges. And again, this allegedly happened during his previous role in Chicago. And the attorney I spoke with, who is not representing Horton, believes prosecutors may have a strong case. Tonight, Dr. Devon Horton temporarily out as DeKalb County Superintendent, accused of committing fraud, kickbacks, and misusing funds. School board members making the tough call.
While we cannot comment on confidential personnel matters, we are concerned by these allegations.
Before Horton became DCSD superintendent, he led the Evanston-Skokie School District 65, a suburb of Chicago, from 2020 to 2023. The indictment alleges during that time, Horton was part of a scheme to defraud the school district of money and property.
And this case is going to have a lot of irrefutable documents involved, since it's primarily a financial case.
Josh Schiffer is an Atlanta criminal defense attorney who is not representing Horton. Horton's indictment claims he abused his power as superintendent to award certain people contracts in exchange for receiving some money back.
The superintendent's really charged with sending those contracts to people he was in cahoots with, people that didn't necessarily deserve those contracts and were going to pay him back for receiving those contracts through a kickback after washing the money through a couple of different agencies and other processes.
The indictment shows he awarded one contract for more than $139,000. In a statement, Horton's attorney, who is based in Chicago, said in part, quote, "The allegations in Chicago relate to conduct that is several years old and have nothing whatsoever to do with his very successful work on behalf of the students, families, and teachers in DeKalb County." But Schiffer says the attorney did not deny the claims.
That leads me to believe that there may be strong evidence that these transactions took place.
Now, the school board says Dr. Norman Sauce III will serve as acting superintendent. He is currently the district's chief of student services. Live outside of the DeKalb County School District headquarters, I'm Niamani Watson, Atlanta News First.